Muraho! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise Umuneza. I'm your Kinyarwanda teacher. I'm here today to welcome you back in my classes. We've been quiet for a long time, but we've been preparing for some plans, some activities, some language classes, and now we are back. So I'm here to tell you about my schedules and my Kinyarwanda plans for this school year. So our school year starts in September and end in June as the school year in general in schools in Rwanda. So we began in September on 9th, and now we are going to end our first term on 6th December. And we are going to do 3 terms. So it's September to December, and then start again in January to April, and then the last term is May and June. So we have Kinyarwanda for 4 levels. We have beginner. I would like to show you what we are going to do. So we teach beginner level, which takes 20 hours. This is me, this is my picture, and those are the programs for Kinyarwanda. Kinyarwanda beginners 20 hours, and we have Kinyarwanda for elementary level, which takes 30 hours, and then we have level 3 intermediate level, takes 40 hours, and we have level 4 advanced, which takes 60 hours. So basically you have to do 150 hours to complete Kinyarwanda program. But don't worry, if you only have short time in Rwanda, or even you are outside and you want just to do a short Kinyarwanda course, so you can do just 1 level. Depends on your level. You can start with level 1, or if you already have level 1 or you have an elementary level, you can start with level 2 or level 3 or level 4, depends on your level. So you can do a short course, you can do the whole program. So we welcome everyone, and we are going to end our school year end of June. And when we end our school year, we always do a party. We do a graduation party. So we are going to graduate one student who is on level 4. So he is going to graduate and have a certificate of completion of 150 hours. So this is really an amazing party, and I will invite you guys, and I will send you flyers when it's time. We also plan to do different activities for this term. So we have organized language cafe. So what's a language cafe? It's not a drink, it's not language cafe is a place, or it's a space where language lovers meet to practice languages. So far we have Spanish on Monday, we have French Tuesday, English Wednesday, Kinyarwanda and Swahili on Thursday. So that means each time we have a group of people who come to Tea House in Remera, where our office is. You come and just meet other people who are learning the language that you're also learning. So we mean it's like a group of people who are learning the same language. Let's say you're learning French and you want to practice French. So you come and meet other people who are learning French, and then you do some games, some conversation, some practice. So when you learn a language, usually you can meet people who speak the same language, and you just have some practice. So we wanted to create a space so that people in Kigali can come and meet. We are thinking to also expand in other places, so maybe Musanze or Isenyi or other places, so people who really love languages can meet and practice those languages. And we'd like to encourage those who want to learn Kinyarwanda, because we have Kinyarwanda on Thursday. So even my students, we would like you to really join us on Thursday from 5. All the programs are from 5:30 to 7 p.m. So you join us at Tea House in Remera. Most of students will know, because that's where we meet for classes. But this is a special program because we are meeting for practice. So come and join us. You want to speak Kinyarwanda, you want to speak Swahili, come and join us, and we have groups. I'm not going to teach in those groups, there's no teacher. It's just a place where you guys come, network, speak the language, practice, have fun, and get to know each other. So it's a good platform platform that we are starting this term. So we are going to include other languages, but we want to start with 5 languages only. Then in January next year we can include other languages, depends on demand. But we would like to let you know that the program have already started. If you want to join, please contact me, because I'm going to put my contact in the comments and my email. So if you want to join, you want to study Kinyarwanda, you want to come and practice in the language cafe, we have different programs. We have travelers program. We have so many programs for you guys. We have culture evening, culture weekends away, where we can just meet other people and go on a trip, and also have time to practice the language, to learn the culture and everything. Thank you so much. So we have so many things we have been planning. That's why we've been quiet. So please join us. And if you have any question, you want to know some details, check in the comment section and just read my message and my email, my contact. Then feel free to contact me anytime. I'm available on WhatsApp and on emails. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane.